Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix Roblox update problem. Okay, let's get started. First go to your phone settings, scroll down, now click on apps management, scroll down, search Roblox app. Click on the Roblox, scroll down, now click on storage, clear check, now click on clear data, delete, back, permission, app permission, camera option, allow, contacts, allow, microphone, allow, notification, allow notification, back, go to Play Store, search Roblox update, now check update Roblox app, open Roblox app, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.